So hello everyone, I'm Keys and today I'm going to show a tutorial on how to register SDO China. So first of all, I will show the page here is the registration page, and before that, here's the SDO China download link. I will provide it also together from Mediafire. So don't worry about it, it have full updated already. So yeah. So what we're gonna do here next, we're gonna fill up the registration page. So from here on point, the first part is your account ID for 9U. So from here, I'm gonna make it something like dummy test here. It's available currently, and here's the password. So fill up your password that you want to use. So in my case, I'm gonna use my own password here. So from here point out, you need China phone number. So I will provide it together, so it's just some ID phone number also together from Google. So just copy it and pass it here. I will provide in description below also. So from your point, it's the name. So whatever name you're gonna use, you need to use Chinese name. So I'm gonna use it here from Google Translate and just copy it and pass it here. Next part is the most important part actually. This is China ID actually. From your own, if you want to use a mail ID account for your SDO, you have to use mail ID. But if you need to use a female creation, so go for female ID here, down here. So the next thing, you just copy it and paste it here. I will provide it in the description below also. So from your point out, you just gonna fill the captcha D2J6. H here is your in-game name. So from here point, you just make your own ID name here, something like this, dummy1 or something. Also, just some extra, you can also use some alternate code like this inside SDO China. So like me, I'm gonna use star here, just in case somebody gonna ask for it. And here, as you can see, it's available, right? Okay, all right, stick. The next thing, you just click this thing down here at the bottom and just press it and okay. All right, you done it. And from here on, you just simply have this page here out. You just have to click the first part here. Alright, now we arrived this page. So from this point on, you just click on the sidebar here on the top left. So here's the server. In my case, I just put everything is the same way. You can put everything. So register your password inside here for the server and just click it again and do it, repeat, and the same thing also. And again. All right. There you have it. So it's done already. And the next thing, you're gonna open the SDO China folder. So as you can see, this is the SDO China folder here. So before we can test it out, I'm gonna show you a little bit properties setting. If you already download the file, compatibility, and next thing you're gonna do is run this program as administrator. Reduce color mode, perhaps like 8-bit or 60-bit. It doesn't matter actually, but some cases usually people use 16-bit instead. So yeah, just do whatever you want, but for me, I don't even need it, so just apply it, okay, and run it. So from here, we're gonna choose the server. You're gonna choose the server here. So I'm gonna use the first one, the commonly used, and start the game. You might not even hear the music because I mute it for the SDO. Alright, just wait for it to open up, and from your own point you just log in based on your password and enter it. And there you have it, SDO China. You can just select whatever you want here and press OK. Go here. It's this the advanced channel here. Press this one. Go through here, dancing hall. Alright. From here you can open the mailbox here also. Create the room. Here's your setting. Put your own setting here. Save it. 6 key maybe perhaps. This one is the middle. This one left side. You wanna full screen it here. And this one you can turn on the effect. That's all. So there you have it. Like pretty much everything here. I will put everything on the description below there. So lastly, if you like the video, press like if you feel like this helped you out. And if you feel like you want to support me, please do subscribe and share this video to those who might interest with it. Alright, thanks for watching. I see you next time. See ya.